Hello friends, so in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to create a matrix in Power BI. So we have a screen of Power BI with us here, and in this screen, we will create a matrix. So we will go to the field here, we will just open this and we have a file order, file we have already downloaded. And from here, we will create a table first of all. To create a table, we go to visualization pane here, and from here, I will just take a table. So first of all, we will create our matrix according to our table. So we have here table. So first of all, we will take category here in the columns. So table only have one like place where we can take the data, and then I will take cities. I will also take the country region. You can take. I will take city here. So we have cities also here. And next thing I will take our sales. I'll just remove this. And next thing I will take the sales. So we have sales also here. So we have information according to our city category and sales, and beside that I also take region here. So we have region wise, city wise, and our category wise sales with us. Now if you want to make it in the form of your matrix, I just click over in visualization page matrix. So now we have cities in our rows, but I want to change a bit. I want to put cities in our category and put region in our columns. So now we have columns in our region. So this way the reports look much better and more understandable. Like if I will click on furniture here, here is a button, a small button. I will just click over this. So we have furniture wise and city wise information of our sales of furniture in a particular region. If I will go to the office and I will just click over the button here, then I will find out information according to the city wise. So this is the way we can create a matrix with table. And if you want to create it directly, I just click over this and just delete this. And now I want to directly make a matrix. So we'll go to the matrix here in the visualization pane, click over this, and we have a format of matrix with us. I just increase the size, and now I have rows and column with me. So I will put column in the city, not in the city. I will put in the rows wise. I will take cities. Then I will take category also in the column. We can put categories here, or either we can take it in the category, sorry, put it in the category here. And then next thing is our rows. In rows I will take my region. So here is the region. I will put region here, and in the values I will take sales or profit, whatever you like to take. I will take sales here in the profit. So now we have a better report where region wise we have our sales and our, and if you want to see, like we have a cities also in categories. So if I will go to the categories here, like we have only one category here, which is furniture, office supplies, and this. And if you want to see this city wise, so I will put city in the region. And now if you will click here, so in which region and in which city we have able to make this more sales. So this report is more matrix, is more readable and more understandable, so that people can understand it. And beside that, if you want to make some changes with the report, instead of, like if we will go to sales and want to find out average sales, so I will just click on our values and click on average. So we can find out the average sales. And if I will again click over this, right click, and then go to minimum, so that we can find out the minimum range region wise, in which region we have made a minimum sales here. Okay, so this way we are able to find out solutions. Then I will go to our right click maximum, so we can find this maximum. And if you want to the total, so we can go to the sum and we can find out our sum of sales. So this is where we can create our matrix in Power BI from table or either directly. So that's all in this video.